Hi, my name is Tusharika. I'm the founder of Karze, bringing authentic mountain goodness to your doorsteps. I always believe that this mountain way of living, which compromises of purity, authenticity, community, sustainability, that deserves a wider audience. And that was the reason, that conviction believed me to start Karze in 2022. Building India from Himachal Pradesh. Together, we build India. In Himachal or places like Himachal, small towns or mountain regions, they offer you very natural, high quality produce. It's highly remarkable in terms of quality, etc. Because it's still very untapped market. It's still very unexplored. So thanks to that, we have preserved our culture, we have preserved our tradition, and that purity is still there. But all these artisans or my farmers do not have that kind of platform to really market or brand or really make their products reach to the rest of the world. On the other side, we have consumers who really long for this quality, really want to try out these high quality products, who really believe in conscious living, who really believe in healthy lifestyle, eating better. And that's why Karze was born. So Karze bridges that gap. High quality, authentic, local produce to the people who actually care about this purity, about authenticity, about community, and about sustainability. So that's how Karze bridges that gap. It was food. That was an obvious choice because that food is something that people connect instantly with. We started with jams, spreads, chutneys. We wanted to be part of everyone's kitchen, stories that are shared on dinner tables, for them to taste it and knowing that such fine quality produce you get in India itself. So we wanted to start with food because that kind of really excites people and there are connections formed instantly. When we truly felt that the customers are really connecting to us, when customers started coming back. We have a repeat of almost 30%, and they didn't just come to buy product. They were coming to share stories. It's the stories that they connected with. It felt great when people told us that how Karze connects them to their home, how when they consume a Karze product, it reinforces their belief in their value system. They are consuming something which is with a purpose. They're consuming healthy, better eating. At the same time, they're also helping someone. They're also helping communities. They're also helping these small farmers, artisans, to truly value their products. So that's when we realized that we have hit that connection, because when a brand moves away from what they just only produce, so it's not just about the product, but when we really start connecting with the customers in terms of stories, when we form that connection, that's when the brand has really connected and evolved. So that's what happened with Karze. So we decided to build it from Himachal. Of course, one, that's home. That's where I come from. And I told you that it is with a purpose. I feel still my state is very untapped in terms of the potential that it has. Organizations like PayU who are bringing all of us together, and stories from small states like that. It was great that somebody reached out and said that they want to tell a story from a brand coming from Himachal Pradesh. This also gives us a platform to amplify our voice, to scale again, sustainably. Founders now are really solving real problems. They're creating community impact, and yet they are, deeply rooted in their communities. Building India from Himachal Pradesh.